This is an all-inclusive breakfast. You're thinking a breakfast bowl? How about using a sweet potato as the holder? Check this recipe out. Okay, for the recipe, we're going to start off with 4 of the Conestoga brown free-range eggs. I have 2 tablespoons of butter that we're going to put in our pan. We want to melt our butter. We want to get our pan nice and warm. And then we're going to add some bacon, some roasted pepper, and some diced onion. We're going to finish it with some spinach, of course, but also some fresh basil just to pop that flavor for us. So we're going to start. We have 2 tablespoons of butter in our pan. We're just warming the butter up, melting it. I have about half a cup of diced onions. Pop the diced onions in. A little bit of bacon bits, because who doesn't like bacon in the morning? A half a tablespoon of roasted peppers, and we're going to give it a quick stir. Now we're just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. You don't need a whole lot because there's salt in the bacon, and now your whole house starts smelling amazing because bacon and onions really butter. Fantastic. So what I've done here is I've baked off some sweet potatoes. You can do different sizes. I wanted to show that. So we have a smaller one here. If you're having kids, grandkids over, this is a simple, easy way of getting them to eat some more vegetables in their life, as well as some amazing Conestoga eggs. Then what we're going to do is crack in 4 eggs. Just look at how beautiful yellow those yolks are. I always think recipes are like roadmaps, and you can change them up and add things to them. You know, if you want to add your kids, or you like cheese, add some cheese to it. You guys like a little bit spicier? Add some chipotle pepper. Our onions and bacon, as you're going to start seeing, are beautifully caramelized now. We're going to give a little bit of fresh basil, just to give it that little pop of flavor. About 2 tablespoons if you're keeping track. We're going to add in some spinach. And we're just going to wilt the spinach down. Now we're going to add our egg and just stir that together. I can turn my heat down. Look at that beautiful color. It's almost like a ray of sunshine in the morning. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our sweet potato. Like I say, I've taken it out of the oven. It's still warm. We're going to fill it. Stuff it with our eggs. Again, look how beautiful that color is. A simple, easy breakfast, or it could be any time of the day. For this recipe and a whole lot more, check out ConestogaFarms.com. Rock rolls up.